You ask me where I'm going, who I'm with and when I'll be home. Every call I miss becomes another fight. Every silence turns to stone. You read between my every word, searching for a lie that isn't there. I'm standing right beside you, but somehow you're still scared. Love shouldn't feel like prison walls or questions every day. I'm trying not to lose myself while begging you to change. You're afraid I'll leave, so you hold me way too tight. You lock your love around my heart till there's no more light. I know you're trying not to lose me, but fear keeps pulling us apart. You can't keep love forever by locking up a heart. I stopped seeing all my friends just to keep another piece. I gave away my freedom, hoping all your doubts would leave. But no matter what I sacrificed, your fears kept growing strong. I loved you with my everything, yet somehow I was wrong. I reached the edge of who I was, with nothing left to give. Sometimes love still isn't enough when fear decides to live. The day I walked away from you, your sister softly said, "He's loved like this since someone left and never came back again." That's when every broken piece finally made sense to me. You weren't trying to control my life, you were terrified I'd leave. I wish you told me from the start, instead of hiding all that pain. Maybe we could have healed together instead of breaking us this way. You were afraid I'd leave, and I was afraid to stay. Two hearts fighting different battles slowly slipped away. I never stopped loving you, I just couldn't breathe anymore. Love needs trust to stay alive, not fear behind